The rechargeable LitezAll sound-activated LED light bar adds fun and a touch of color to your living space. Let's take a closer look. Inside the box is the rechargeable light bar, a stand, a USB-C charging cable, and an instruction booklet. Since the light bar is rechargeable, it's best to give it a full charge before using it. Plug the charging cable into any USB power source, such as a computer, wall charger, or power bank. Then insert the USB-C plug into the charging port. A 4-step green charging indicator on the light bar blinks while charging. Charging is complete when all 4 lights are solid green. A full charge of the non-replaceable 200 mAh polymer battery takes up to 30 minutes. 3 buttons are located on the back. One is for on-off, one for color and brightness, and the other is for color modes and speed. Long press the power button to turn it on. Then press the color and brightness key to select one of 17 available color choices. Then, long press the same button to select one of 5 brightness levels. Once you've selected your color and brightness, press the mode and speed button. Repeatedly press the button to select one of 16 patterns. Long press the same button to select one of 5 speed patterns. The light bar may be used with or without the included stand. Long press the on-off button again to turn the light bar off. This is a fun, attention-grabbing accessory that's easy to operate and mesmerizing to watch.